Hey everybody, welcome back to H&H TV. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about 67 to 72 C10 fan shrouds. These are both small block. One is with AC, one is without AC. And this is a very common question we get all the time. Well, what's the difference? Why is there two different ones? Well, I guess number one is because some GM engineer thought that that's what they needed to do. So this particular one right here is a non-AC. Dimensions left to right are identical. Top to bottom, they're identical. There is no difference there. Mounting hole area is all the same. The difference is in here, and then a little bit on the overall height. Not much, not much. So, as you can see, the non-AC has this real, it's shallower here, but deeper in this direction. So if you want to sit down and you want to measure overall height, turn that tape measure around where you can see it a little better. You're 5 3/4 measuring off the table. You go to the air one, it's 5 3/16. 20-inch outside diameter. 20-inch outside diameter. So there's not any difference there. Even you go heat, that part of it's the same. It was all primarily right here and then here. This little, I'll call it step, you're approximately 2 3/8 versus about 1 7/8. So this longer step, that's going to be an AC or a non-AC. The shallower is going to be an AC thing. My personal thought on why they did it, number one, if you got a AC truck, more than likely you're running dual pulley on the water pump, triple pulley on the crank versus single and a dual on the crank. That, and you have the compressor that came out here. So that's my theory on it. Again, GM's exact reasonings, who knows? Again, some engineer thought that was a good idea. Why they just didn't do one and call it good, well, who knows? But anyway, that's the difference between them. You still got that 20-inch diameter. Just that height difference is the main thing. This is a little shallower on the AC versus the non-AC. Both these are available on the website. They're made of ABS plastic. These are from Counterpart Automotive. As we talked about in an earlier one, if you're using an aluminum radiator, just make sure you have a little bit of contact, especially down here on this lower part, which is going to be almost right up against the radiator. Put you a little bit of a thermal gasket of some form in between. That way you got a little bit of a heat barrier in between. This ABS plastic doesn't last real good when it comes up to aluminum just because of the heat transference properties of aluminum. There's your big word for the day, transference. Just keep that in mind when you're doing it. Up top, it's not as bad because you have a little bit of separation because of the mounts where those go. But just remember that when you're using an ABS plastic fan shroud. So that's it. We've got them here at H&H. Come get them. We got fan shrouds for a whole lot of vehicles, not just these. Take a look on your website. Go to the AC or the cooling section on the website, and you'll find fan shrouds and a ton of different ones. If you need measurements on them, please don't hesitate to call. We're happy to give that to you.